So here we are at TTW Installations. We've got one of the latest generation ID Buzz in with us. In this particular one we've installed the latest generation Blackvue dash camera for the customer, including a battery pack. So I just thought I would just quickly show you what it's like when we've finished the install. So in terms of in here, we've mounted the rear camera in here in the back. As you can see, there's barely any wires showing in here. Very nice and neat. The nice thing with these is that the camera is mounted quite high up, so you get a very good visibility looking down at cars behind you. And as you can see, it just fits in there rather nicely. And then move round to where the sort of front area is. We've installed the main front camera, which is in this particular area here. So from a driver's point of view, it's not affecting any visibility. And then obviously we've got the camera which is there, and then we've just got the cables just mounted up nicely up into the binnacle area which is there. The battery pack for this one we've actually installed underneath the driver's seat, so that's completely out of the way. So as you can see, a very sort of nice install within there. So if you have one of the latest generation ID buzzes and you'd like to have it dash camera properly installed in one of these, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations.